These are the kind of questions that JAMB 2026 examiners expect you guys to fail. Okay, this particular question on the board, I predicted this for my students last year in the JAMB 2025 examination. It came out word for word, and many of my students passed. So you're writing the JAMB examination in 2026. I want you guys to first go down to the comment section and indicate you're writing the JAMB examination by commenting JAMB 2026. Okay, just so I know you're writing the examination and we can stay connected. Now the question on the board reads, a dash family Bible lay open on the table. This is also an order of adjective. If you've been watching my video, you should be able to answer this particular question with ease. Remember the formula. Option A, huge black gold edged. Option B, black huge gold edged. Option C, black gold edge huge. Option D, gold edge black huge. Which of these is the correct answer? For those of my students that watch my previous videos, okay, remember the formula. And for those of you that are just seeing this video for the first time, you can make use of this formula. Okay, we have the DOS, okay, we have CAC, we have POMP, and then we'll have what now? H. Depending on which one you want to make use of. But this particular one can solve 90% of your problem, okay? Trust me. So what I want you guys to do is pause the video, attempt this particular question, okay? Use the formula, analyze it very well, okay? Pause the video, attempt it, and then when you go to the option, don't write option A, B, or C, or D for me. I want you guys to write it correctly. If it is option A, huge black gold edge, that's what I want you to do. If it is option B, black huge gold edge, like that, okay? That's what I want you guys to do. It shows how well you are prepared for the JAMB examination. So what you guys are going to do is pause the video, go to the comment section, and drop your answers right now. I am guessing you guys have done that by now. Let us now see the right answer to this question on the board, and I will go straight to the point, okay? Remember the formula. The first one, D, represents what now? Determinants. What's the determinants? Examples of determinants are articles. In this case, we're having what now? A. So A is the determinant. Now the next one here, we're having what now? Opinion, okay? Now in this case, there is no opinion. Opinion now depends on what the person sees, the person's perspective, okay? In this case, there is nothing that describes perspective, okay? So O is already out of it. And the next one, we're having what now? Size. Size could be what now? Tall, short, huge, fast. In this case, we're having what now? Huge, okay? So we can take it as what now? The size. And the next one, we're having what now? Shape. Is there anything that describes shape here? There is nothing that describes shape, okay? So the next one, we'll go to what now? C, which is what now? Condition, okay? Remember, condition is the one that could change, okay? Example, hot, cold, rich, poor, okay? Anything that describes condition in this case, nothing again. And next one, we're having what now? Age. How about age? Is there anything that describes what now? Age, nothing. And next one, we're having C again. Okay, this C here is what now? Color. Now, if you look at the color, is there a color here? We're having what now? Black, and we're having gold edged. Okay, now some persons could pick gold edge as what now? Color. Some persons would pick black and then gold edge. Whichever one you pick, depending on the formula you're following. Okay, remember this one is the one I said solve 90% of your problems. Okay, now whichever one you are picking, if the formula is correct, it should give you the same answer. Okay, so even if you add black gold edge as the color here, no problem. Your answer should be correct if the formula is okay. Okay, but in this case, I'm going to put just black as the color. So I'm going to have what now? Color, black. Okay, black. And then the next one, we're having what now? Pattern. Now for this pattern, this is where I'm going to put what now? The gold edge. Okay, because it's probably something you notice, okay, on the particular Bible. Okay, gold edge means that the edge of the Bible is what now? Gold. Okay, it's a particular pattern for it. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to write what now? Gold edge. So even if a different person analyzes it, okay, and then person puts black and then gold edge here, notice that black comes before gold edge. Okay, so it's still the same thing, nothing changes. Okay, and then the next one we're having is O. This O represents what now? Origin. There's nothing that describes origin like location here. Okay, the next one is what now? Material. Anything describes material, nothing here. And the next one we're having what now? Purpose, and then we're having what now? Head. Now the head is obviously the what now? The Bible. Okay, the head is obviously the what now? The Bible. And then what describes the Bible? Okay, this particular statement is telling us that what now? The Bible belongs to the what now? The family. Okay, so the purpose is what now? Family. That is, Bible is for the family. Okay, so for this purpose, we can place in what now? Family. So now, how do we pick our answer? We'll start from the beginning of the formula. Okay, A should come first. Okay, and then we have huge black gold edge family Bible. Okay, so we have huge black gold edge. Which of the options gives us huge black gold edge? Option A again, huge black gold edge. Okay, so straight to the point, option A is the right answer. If you check for the other options, it does not follow this pattern. Okay, so like I said, there are different formulas. This is the one I'm making use of. For those persons that watch my previous video, you can also go to my page again and watch it. Still on adjectives. Okay, now we're having does, car, and then pump, and then we're having what now? H. Take note of the formula. Now, when you practice multiple problems with me by watching my videos, you get used to how to analyze and arrange questions like this in order of adjectives. Okay, now you can always learn more, not just from this video but in my other videos as well. Okay, if you're watching this video on YouTube, all you simply have to do is click on the subscribe button and subscribe to it. Also, click on your notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first 2 persons that will get notified about it. But if you're watching this video on TikTok, once you're done, rush down to the YouTube channel, search for Dr. Flash, and then subscribe to the channel. Also, click on your notification bell as well. Okay, now if you have any more questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Okay, you can as well participate in our online JAMB and WAEC classes to learn more. Okay, we teach not just English language but as well as your other JAMB subject combinations, whether you're in the arts, social sciences or the commercials. Okay, now to be registered for the class, all you simply have to do is swipe down to my page and text me on WhatsApp via the phone number you are seeing there, or you can simply click on the link that takes you directly to my WhatsApp DM and let me know that you want to register for the class. I'll put it through. If you have any more questions, like I said, drop it in the comment section. I'll respond to it as usual. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and follow for more.